Hello, Art Tribe. Let's make some dominoes, shall we? Now, a lot of these supplies that I use are off my Amazon storefront, and if you go to the description of this video, you can find everything listed there. Now, these cute little wood pieces, which my friend Jamie from Leopard Spot Designs calls wood confetti. I'm also going to link her because she's incredible, and she makes all these incredible designs that you could put into coasters, dominoes, and so much more fun. But now, firstly, we're going to take our mold and add a little bit of my resin from Moss Epoxies, Annie's Art Studio Clear Crafting Resin. We're going to put that in. We're going to let it start curing just a little bit, and then we're going to add our colorful little confetti into our mold. Now then I decided to put a little bit of a transparent blue and green, a little kind of mixed tie-dye looking resin just to give it some pop of color. I was thinking about nebulas in the sky, and I thought this would be a little bit of fun. I added a touch of glitter as well. Now I mixed this all up, and now the most important part, you have to let that layer fully cure before you add the back. Now on the back, I wanted to put a nice navy blue, and I added a ton of glitter in there. Now, my favorite part, let's unmold these dominoes. It is so satisfying, and these turned out so cute. Now, I know you guys are going to ask, what is this paint bottle, Annie? Now, again, if you go to my Amazon storefront and look under my favorites list, you'll find these bottles that have little needle points, and oh my God, they are a lifesaver, let me tell you. I fill them with acrylic paint, mix it with a little bit of water for them to be just easier to float, and that's it. Guys, these dominoes are found on my website if you guys want to shop them. Link again in description. Bye now.